Hello friends, welcome to VFX Pipeline, and in this video we'll see how we can execute external programs with Python. So let me start with the Python idle and let me create a new file there, right? So in this new file, so basically there is two method which I'm going to demonstrate you. One is OS module and second is subprocess module. So first to start with OS module. So import OS. So OS is the inbuilt Python module. Once you install Python, you will get OS with that. So nothing to worry about that. And let's say my command is, so I will create a command variable, and in that I will say that I want to execute command prompt. Okay, so basically the command prompt, and now I want to open that command prompt, Windows command prompt with Python. So what I can use, I can type os.system, and inside that I will write my variable name command. So now I will save this, and so to my exe run dot py. Okay, so I just write a file exerun.py. In that I just write a one line os.system. So what this os.system will do, it will execute this command. So let me start. Press F5 and you can see a new command port is started. It is that much simple. Okay, now let's see the second option, what we can use to execute this command. So okay, I will comment this and I import a new module which is import subprocess. Okay, now with subprocess, if you want to execute a external software or external command of your system command, then what you can use subprocess dot capital P open P open and command. So control S and F5, and we got a error. This is spelling mistake. So it's not sub. Okay, yeah, sub process P R O C C. Yeah, that's correct. Control S F5. Okay, it's running. My system is slow. Okay, so now you can see that it's execute and my cmd.exe is run. So it's look very confusing that what is the use of these two, and why and which situation you guys can use this. There are a lot of situation where you can use this. You know what, I can give you some example. Like if you want to copy some files from one folder to another folder and you want to automate that process, so you can use robocopy command. Instead of command, you can use robocopy here. So let me try there, robocopy. Okay, and also you can use copy, move. There are a lot of Windows command. Even it this things, this OS and subprocess module will work on any platform like Mac and Linux. You can just execute your command like ls ipconfig. And also if you have a external application like any separate exe file that you want to execute with Python, okay, so you can utilize that. Also if you have the power to execute file from Python, so imagine you can have a for loop. So let's say if your exe file required some argument to be passed with that exe or with that batch file, so you can actually create your for loop and just go through that loop and pass the argument with that. So there are a lot of possibilities with that. So we'll keep this tutorial point to point very simple. If you ever need to execute a external command with Python, you can use either OS module. In OS, use os.system and inside your command, and either subprocess and subprocess.Popen. There are some other also like subprocess, different Popen, and there are some other arguments also like shell true and all. So I will cover a separate tutorial with subprocess. Okay, so you just stick with that and I'll see you in next video. Goodbye.